Step 10. Creating a pattern of holes. Creating patterns are easy and fast using the CATIA V5 pattern tool. The following steps will show you how to create a pattern of holes in your L-shaped extrusion. Before you get started, make sure that the part on your screen looks like this, and that the units are set to inches. The hole pattern will be created on the standing leg of the L-shaped extrusion. The first hole created in step 9 will be used as the straighting hole. Select hole dot 1 from the specification tree or by selecting the actual hole. Select hole dot 1 from the specification tree or by selecting the actual hole. The selected hole should be highlighted, signifying it has been selected. The corresponding hole in the part should also be highlighted. Select the rectangular pattern tool from the transformation feature toolbar located on the right side of your screen. The rectangular pattern definition window will now appear on your screen. Notice that there is a first direction and a second direction tab at the top of the window. CATIA V5 allows you to specify the hole pattern in two directions. For your L-shaped extrusion, we will only be using the first direction tab. The first box in the first direction tab is the parameters box. CATIA V5 gives you several options to choose from. Select the instance and spacing option. This will allow you to specify the number of holes you want and the spacing between each hole. The instance box specifies how many times the hole is going to be copied in the specified direction. For this step, type in 4 in the instance box. It is important to know that the value entered in the instance box will count the existing hole as one of the entered value. For example, you just entered the value of 4 in the instance box. A total of 4 holes will be created, one you selected to pattern after, and 3 additional holes. For the spacing value, type in 1.25 inch. This will place the holes at 1.25 inches apart from each other. The length box will display the total length of the hole pattern from the center of the hole to the center of the last hole. The length box will be dimmed, which will mean that the value cannot be changed. You now need to specify the direction of the hole pattern. You can specify the direction by selecting the reference element box. The box will turn blue, indicating it is selected. Select the top edge of the L-shaped extrusion. At this point, CATIA V5 will preview the hole pattern in the part. This highlighted preview allows you to verify that the pattern is what you want. If the hole pattern is previewed in the wrong direction, you can select the reverse button located just below the reference element box. This reverses the direction of the hole pattern. Now select OK button. Notice that the rec pattern .1 branch has been added to the specification tree. Now use what you have learned to create the same hole pattern on the other side of the part. Use hole .2 to start the hole pattern. Notice that the specification tree has added another hole pattern below the hole .2 branch.